Okay, for the rabbit, we're going to do about 2.5, 3 inches uninflated. You're going to come to the beginning and make a very tiny nose. So this is like a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch bubble. And then you're going to follow this up with about 2-inch bubble that you're going to make a 3 bubble roll with, right? So you're going to make one, lock 2 into place, take the 3rd bubble, the same size as those, and roll these 2 over. Now this little nose here, what you're going to do is hold the nozzle and then you're going to pinch twist this thing. So you want like a little button kind of nose on the beginning of this thing. This is the rabbit's head. You're going to make a pair of ears that I usually make about 5 inches. And they're the same thing as making what a pair of legs would look like. And then I usually curl these ears just a little forward. I make a tiny neck. And what we're going to do with the left is whatever's left is you're going to make a front pair of legs that I make about 3 inches. Then I make a body that we're going to have this thing sitting down. So the body I usually make about 4-inch bubble. And the rest of this, what I'm going to do is twist a loop with a tiny tail. And then I set this into that loop. So it's like a rabbit sitting on its back legs. Another option to the rabbit when you get to this part, once you're done with the back, is to twist this. You're going to twist, you want enough for the tail, then you can twist this in half and twist that tail in. And then do the same thing. You push the legs down into this so it's sitting, but then it separates the legs. So it's another option of doing that.